Today, we're talking about amethyst, the architecture of clear thought. Yeah, there's a big difference between just being busy and being mentally scattered. What you're really after is a strategy to quiet that noise and find some genuine focus. So, let's meet amethyst. Geologically, it's a beautiful purple variety of quartz. And its trigonal crystal system, well, that's what gives it that incredibly steady, supportive feel. What's really fascinating is its history. It was actually known as the sobriety stone. That ancient idea of unclouded judgment, it maps directly to its modern job, easing restlessness. Energetically, it's all about activating the third eye and crown chakras. Think higher awareness. Okay, so what does all this ancient clarity mean for your life right now? It means amethyst can support you when your mind feels overactive and just won't quit. It really helps you notice, what actually needs your attention and where you can slow down. You can use it in some really practical ways to support that focus, especially on busy days. The goal here isn't to shut down, but to find steadiness. It's about calm without losing focus. This can help you break free from those mental loops and that constant feeling of urgency. Which brings it all back to one key question. What thoughts truly need your attention right now?